Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. I had a request and a comment in one of my other videos from Crazy Cat Lady 4002. She has a project she's working on, she says, and she needs to make a pie chart. No, I don't think those kinds of pies, but they do look good. Let's help her out. We're in the edit page. We're going to come up into our media pool, right click, new Fusion composition, create. Drag that down into our timeline, right click, open in Fusion page. We have our media out node. We're going to drag in a background. I'm going to stay way to the left because we're going to work to the right and we need the space. It's not hard, we just need some space. I'm going to click this background node. I'm going to change that color to white. Now we need our round pie, so we're going to drag in another background. We're going to connect it to this background, and that'll make a merge node. With the background selected, we're going to change that to red. We'll have a red pie. We're going to highlight the background, click on our ellipse, and now we have our red pie. Now we need some slices. We're going to highlight these two nodes, the ellipse in the background, Control C to copy, double click out here so nothing's highlighted, Control V to paste, connect this background to this merge and that'll create another merge. Now we need to add a polygon to make our slices. So highlight your ellipse, click on your polygon. With it highlighted, come out here, click outside the circle, click right in the center of the circle, click outside, and then connect the two lines. Now you can see we have a slice, but it doesn't quite look right yet. Come over to our inspector panel, paint mode, from merge, we want subtract. We didn't change the background color for our slice. Let's make that yellow. So what we did was it was on merge, so we had everything yellow. We go from merge to subtract. We want a red pie with a yellow slice, so we just click invert. Now you can come here to your Z rotation. You can move that slice around. You can grab hold of one of these handles, change the size of your slice. If you need more slices, we highlight these three, Control C, Control V. We hook it up, another merge node. We change our color for the next slice. We'll make it purple. Highlight the polygon node, rotate your Z, bring it out, make it bigger if you want. We'll do one more. Highlight these three, Control C, Control V, hook that one up. Before we hook it up, we're going to change our color. Click on the background node. Background, we want it, I don't know, light blue, green, whatever that is. Click the polygon, turn that one out. Now what we can do if we want, if our playhead is on 0, we can close this right up. I'll make sure we're right on the spot there. We can close this one up so it's completely closed. We can set a keyframe. We can come ahead and open it up, set a keyframe, and now when we play that back, we have an animated pie chart. Nothing to it. I hope that helps you out, Crazy Cat Lady. Let me know in the comments how many cats you have. Oh, if you want to put some text on these, for your percentage, Simply drag in a text node, connect it up to this merge, highlight the text. You can write 12%. I have an issue with my number pad and hotkeys, so I gotta be careful typing numbers, but you could 12% there, like so. I hope that helps you out. We'll see you in the next video.